Hello my friends and welcome back to the channel. Today I am bringing you a unboxing slash review of these beautiful brushes from BH Cosmetics. I did purchase everything myself and this is how they come in. Well packed. I mean, with brushes you can't go wrong. It's not like if they're gonna break or anything, but they do come in a neat packaging. So one of the things that I noticed first was that they throw in kind of like a postcard of what's coming in new, and in each packaging you can see what it is for. And this one right here is a kabuki brush and it is angled. It is number 34 and it's very soft to the touch. So here is the packaging. You can see what you're getting. Now this fun brush is the number 5 and I wanted to try it because I recently got a smudging brush and it was very soft and I don't know, I liked it quite a bit. So I will be using this one for highlighting and whatnot. And I think that BH Cosmetics, they have very affordable brushes. Look at this. This set was $9. And again, what's cool about it is that on the back of the packaging, it tells you what each brush is for. Of course, you can use it for whatever you want to. And each brush comes in wrapped up in plastic, so super soft and very affordable. Now these brushes are, the bottom you can see here is black with gold, and they look very well made, and yeah. Now this is the first set of eye brushes that I got, and they did have, I believe, the 30% off or the 40% off. They usually do have sales, and you know, you can always check it out and see what's convenient for you. I did want to get 2 of these brush sets. This is the second one, and this one is called the Smoky Eye Essential. You have 7 pieces in here and I paid $7.20. I mean, this is a great deal. I purchased some from Sonia something at Target and I paid $40. Now I'm not feeling that good right now. But check this out. You have for eye detailing and for blending, you have taper brushes. You know, I just think it's a great deal here. These are all black, and as you can see, the handles are matte. The handles are a little bit more thicker than the other ones, but I'm sure they're gonna work just fine. Okay my friends, that is it. I will let you watch the rest of the brushes. I went ahead and included the numbers and what they're for according to the information in the back of the box. This video was not sponsored by any way or form. I did purchase all of these items with my own money. I just wanted to share with you how the brushes look like live, and hopefully this will make your decision a little bit easier, since purchasing things online can be very deceiving. I'll see you in my next video. Hasta la vista. Adios.